Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Top War application on your iPhone. So let's get started without further ado. Open your App Store and in the search box type in Top War and search. Once you find this Top War battle game application from Top War Studio, tap on the Get button to begin the download. Wait until the application is downloaded on your iPhone. Top War is an innovative strategy game featuring merge to upgrade gameplay. The application is available for Android and iOS and it is developed by Top War Studio. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open. Enjoy the game on your iPhone. So that is how you can easily download Top War application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.